Hello kids, welcome to Dikshansh EduTech. I am Deepa, your math subject teacher. Today I am going to teach you class LKG maths, and today's topic is time. Okay, today topic is what? Time. Okay, time is so interesting chapter. Okay. Time. Can you tell me what is this, children? Yes, tick tick. Yes, this is a clock. Yes, this is a clock. Okay, this is a clock. We see time in the clock. हम समय जो है कहाँ देखते हैं? घड़ी में देखते हैं ना? Yes, we see the time in the clock. Okay, and how many number written here? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, 12. How many numbers? 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay. Can you tell me the time, is it? Tell me the time? No. Because you don't know how to read a time. Okay. This is a clock. Clock show टाइम. घड़ी जो है वो क्या दिखाता है? टाइम दिखाता है. ओके, दिस इज अ क्लॉक. CLOCK. दिस इज एनालॉग क्लॉक. ओके, एंड क्लॉक शो टाइम. नाउ नेक्स्ट. ओके, you here red is one hand and black is another hand. Here two hands in a clock and also another hand, we say second hand. Okay, three hands, but here today we read only two hands. Okay, red is one hand and black is another hand. What we say, this hand. Okay, yes, this one is small hand. Okay, hour is the short word. Spelling of hour, HOUR. Hour, only 4 word. Yes, 4 letter. Yes, hour is short word. Okay, so hour is the short hand. So hour is the short hand. जो छोटा हाथ हैंड है घड़ी का, उसको हम लोग क्या कहेंगे? आवर हैंड. क्या कहेंगे? आवर हैंड. ओके, घंटा का हाथ है ये. ओके, और आवर इज द शॉर्ट वर्ड. छोटा सा वर्ड है. HOUR, ओनली 4 लेटर. शॉर्ट वर्ड. सो दिस इज शॉर्ट हैंड. शॉर्ट हैंड को हम कौन सा हैंड बोलते हैं? आवर हैंड. ओके, आवर hand. Our hand. And minute is the long word. Spelling of minute, MINUTE. Minute is the long word. Minute जो है वो लंबा word होता है. Okay, minute is the long hand. So minute hand is longer. So minute hand is what? Longer hand. Okay, MINUTE. Minute hand. 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 Minute hand is longer hand. Long hand. Short hand को what we say? Short hand in a clock we say hour hand. What we say? Short hand in a clock, hour hand. And minute hand, children? Yes, longer hand. Longer hand, what we say? Longer hand, children? Minute hand. It is a trick to learn hand of a clock. How to learn of a clock? This is a best trick. Our spelling is smaller. Okay, so smaller hand is what? Which hand? Yes, our hand. And minute spelling is bigger. Okay, so minute hand is longer hand. Okay, घंटा का हाथ छोटा होता है और मिनट का हाथ क्या होता है? स्मॉल और बड़ा होता है. आवर हैंड जो होता है वो छोटा होता है और मिनट वाला जो होता है वो बड़ा होता है, ठीक है। दो उसमें होता है ना कांटा, ठीक है। 2 needles in a clock. Okay, first one is hour hand and another one is minute hand. Okay, children, hour hand is smaller hand or bigger hand? Okay, hour hand is smaller hand. Okay, shorter hand, short hand. And minute hand is longer hand or shorter hand? Yes, longer hand. Okay, all of you understand, children? Yes, our spelling is small. Okay, so our hand is also small, short in size. Okay, and minute spelling is bigger, so minute hand is long hand. Okay, bigger hand. So look at the picture. Can you tell me which one is minute hand and which one is hour hand, children? Yes, blue is which hand? Hour or minute? Blue hand is shorter or longer? Yes, shorter. Can you tell me? Yes, hour hand. Spelling of hour, H-O-U-R, hour. And the spelling of hand, H-A-N-D, hand. This is a clock. Yes, and two hands in a clock. Yes, blue is hour hand and red hand is longer, long hand. So what we say? Yes, minute hand. Spelling of minute, M-I-N-U-T-E, minute, H-A-N-D, hand. All of you understand? First, it is clear. All of you clear? Which one is hour hand and which one is minute hand? Okay, look at the second example. Here girl is also hold a clock, beautiful clock. यहाँ लड़की ने एक घड़ी hold किया है, पकड़ा है. Okay, can you tell me which one is hour hand? Sure. Yes, this one is hour hand. Spelling of hour, H-O-U-R. जो छोटा सा है short hand है वो hour hand है. Okay, घड़ी का छोटा सा हाथ जो है वो आवर हैंड होता है. ओके, एंड लॉन्गर हैंड व्हाट वी से चिल्ड्रन? यस, मिनट हैंड. क्या कहेंगे बच्चों? मिनट हैंड, M-I-N-U-T-E, मिनट, H-A-N-D, हैंड. ओके, longer hand, minute hand. First, all of you clear this one. Shorter hand, what we say? Hour hand in a clock. And longer hand, what we say, children? Yes, minute hand. Okay. Now, next. Here, we learn parts of a clock. Here, we learn parts of a clock. Okay. Here, how many needles in a clock? How many hands? 1, 2, 3. Okay. And small short hand called what we call? Hour hand. Okay. And long hand what we say? Minute hand. Okay. And this one is tick 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 always run. Okay. We say second hand. Okay. This one is not so important. Okay. But it run always. Okay. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is hour number. Okay. इसको क्या कहते हैं? घंटा वाला नंबर, hour number. Okay. And so many smalls like this. Okay. Lining. This is minute line. This is what? Minute line. Okay. This one is minute line. Better understand? This one is analog clock. Parts of a clock. Here also read. This is analog clock and another is digital clock. Okay. This one is digital clock. Digital clock always see numbers. Okay. Always see number. Like 6:45. Not needles. Okay. इसमें hands नहीं होते. Only number show करता है. Clock timing दिखाता है. But analog clocks here 2 hands and also second hand and so many parts. Okay. First, this is hour hand. Pink is short hand. Yes. So what we say? This hand, hour hand. and sky blue color is long hand. So what we say this hand? Yes, minute hand. What we say? Minute hand. Okay. Now this one is second hand. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4 to 12. This is our numbers. This is our numbers. Okay. Our numbers. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Fifth and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is minute line. Okay. This one is minute line. Children, all of you understand? Short hand, hour hand. Long hand, minute hand. And always run tick, 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 tick like this. This one is second hand. Okay. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4 is what? Hour number. Okay. एक घंटा, घंटे घंटे की दूरी ये नंबर है. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is small lining. This is minute line. Okay. मिनट हैंड जब रन करके एक एक में जाएगी तो 1 मिनट करके बढ़ता है. ओके. दिस इज मिनट लाइन. एंड दिस वन इज डिजिटल क्लॉक. ओके. डिजिटल क्लॉक shows direct number. Okay. And today we learn about analog clock. Okay. Now next, this is the worksheet. Okay. Parts of a clock. Here we write parts of a clock. Okay. Okay. This one is what? Small hand, short hand. What we say? Hour hand. Spelling of hour, HOUR. Hour hand, HAND. Okay. And this is long hand. What we say? Minute hand. Okay. MINUTE. Minute. And HAND. Minute hand. Okay. And this one is lining. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. What we say? Yes, line. Hour line or minute line? Yes, children. Minute line. Spelling of minute. 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 LINE. Minute line. Okay. This is minute line. Okay. Now 6 is what? Minute number or hour number. Can you tell me, children? Yes. This is 6, 3, 9, 12. All of these hour numbers. Hour. 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 And UMBER. Hour numbers. Okay. Now, parts of the clock. Here, with the sign, we write parts of a clock. Okay, children? Yes. This is shorthand. Shorthand, what we say, children? Shorthand, घड़ी के छोटे हाथ को हम क्या कहेंगे? Yes. Hour hand. Hour hand. Spelling of hour. 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 Hand. 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 Hour. Hand. Okay. And this one is long hand. Yes. Long hand. What we say, children? Think. Yes. This is minute hand. जो बड़ा कांटा होता है उसको क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, minute hand. Spelling of minute hand. MINUTE. Minute. And hand, हाथ. HAND. Hand. ओके, घड़ी का बड़ा हाथ को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Minute hand. Okay. And this one is, yes, minute line. ये लाइन है. ओके. किसका लाइन है? मिनट लाइन. MINUTE. minute. LINE. line. This one is minute line. Okay. And this one is second hand. Okay. SECOND. Second hand. 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 Okay. This one is second hand. Okay. and okay, this one 6 is what? 6 is our number, okay? HOUR, our number, NUMBER. Okay, 6 is our number. 1 is what? 1 is also our number. And 9 is children. This is also our number. Okay. And what was this? Yes, is a minute line. ये क्या है? Minute का line है. Okay. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is number is the our number. Okay. All of you understand parts of a clock? Yes. Hour hand, minute hand, second hand, as well as hour number and minute line. Okay. This is the part of an analog clock. Okay. Now, next, telling the time. Okay. Here we learn how to telling the time. Telling the time. Okay, children. How to tell the time. Reading the time. Here, with the help of clock, today we learn how to read a time in a clock. हम घड़ी में समय कैसे देखेंगे? Okay. All of you see the clock in your home. Okay. On the wall, hang on the wall. Okay. As well as on wrist. Okay. How to read the time on the clock. कैसे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे? Okay. Telling the time. Okay. The small hand points to the hour. जो छोटा हाथ होता है घड़ी का, small hand को क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? Can you tell me the name? Yes, our hand. Our hand. Yes, our hands points to the hours. Our hand, small hand points to the hours. वो घंटा बताएगा. ओके कितना घंटा बजा है ये बताएगा. आवर हैंड क्या बताएगा कि कितना घंटा हुआ है. जिस नंबर में जाएगा उतना ही घंटा होगा. ओके एंड द बिग हैंड पॉइंट्स टू द मिनट. बिग हैंड मीन्स व्हाट? मिनट हैंड और आवर हैंड. यस, मिनट हैंड. जो मिनट हैंड है उसको हम लोग बिग हैंड कहेंगे, लॉन्ग हैंड कहेंगे. ओके, बोथ आर सेम. पॉइंट्स टू द मिनट्स, वो किसको इंडिकेट करेगा? यस, मिनट को. ओके, दिस वन इज पिंक इज मिनट हैंड. ओके, एंड when the big hand points to the 12, the time is o'clock. Can you tell me which one is big? Yes, this one is big. Yes, this is minute hand. Okay. When the big hands point to 12, where the 12 right? Yes, here. Okay, the time is o'clock. Okay, जब minute hand 12 में जाएगा, what we read? Yes, we read o'clock. Okay, small hand, hour hand. Big hand, children, minute hand. Okay, when the big hand goes to 12, what we read? Yes, o'clock. What we read? O'clock. When the big hand goes to 12, children, what we read? Yes, o'clock. Okay? All of you understand? Yes. When the minute hand goes to 12, what we read, children? O'clock. Okay? O'clock. Now next. Okay, on the hour. अब हम घंटा वाला कांटा के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. शॉर्ट हैंड. When the big hand points straight up to the 12. 12 में है. Big hand means minute hand कहाँ है? Where go minute hand? In the 12. In a clock. Yes, minute hand goes to where? 12 means o'clock. Okay? Okay, it is on the hour or o'clock. Okay, 12 means o'clock. We look for the number where the little hand is pointing. And say, little hands where, children? Look at the clock. All of you see the clock, children? Yes, you can see. Can you tell me where the little hand? Okay, little hand means our hand. Okay, our hand. Where goes little hand? Our hand कहाँ है? Yes, कहाँ है? 9 means what? 12 means o'clock and 9 means it is 9 o'clock. What means it is 9 o'clock? Okay. Okay. Suppose when the hour hand goes to 10, okay, hour hand goes to 10 and minute hand in 12, what we read? Yes, we read 10 o'clock. Yes, it means 10 o'clock हो रहा है. अगर hour hand 7 में है, what we read it? And minute hand in 12, yes, 7 o'clock. All of you understand how to read a clock? Reading a clock, telling the time, children. Yes, this is so interesting chapter. Okay, all of you look your clock in the home and tell me the time, children. Okay, it is so interesting and all of you understand. Okay. Okay, this is worksheet. When the big hand is at the top, big hand means, children? Yes, this one is minute hand. What we say? O'clock. What we say, children? O'clock. Okay, and we know it is, and the little short hand where go? Yes. Can you tell me the number? 1 or 2? Yes, our hand in 2. What we read? We know it is 2 o'clock. What we read? It is 2 o'clock. Minute hand is 12 means o'clock and our hand in 2. Our hands in 2. 2 में गया है तो क्या पढ़ेंगे हम बच्चों? What we read? 2 o'clock. Okay. Now, here, telling time. Okay. Analog clock or digital clock. Okay. The short hand tells the hour. जो छोटा हाथ होता है, short hand, small hand call hour hand, and the long hand tells the minute. All of you know. Okay. जो लंबा हाथ होता है वो minute hand का होता है. Okay. And 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, children? Yes, 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to how many minutes, children? 60 minutes. Okay. मिनट हैंड ऐसे करके एक चक्कर लगाएगी, पूरा एक सर्कल कंप्लीट करेगी तो कितने मिनट लगेगी? 60 minutes. Okay. What time is here? Longer hand in 12 means o'clock. Okay. And shorter hand in 3 means 3 o'clock. Okay. And digital clock like this. Written number only 1 o'clock. Okay. And AM means morning. All of you know AM means morning and PM is afternoon and evening. AM anti-meridium and post-meridium. Okay. Full form of AM anti-meridium and PM post-meridium. सुबह से लेकर दोपहर तक के बीच के 12 बजे तक, 12 से पहले तक AM और 12 बजे और उसके बाद से PM कहा जाता है. ओके. Then next, TikTok match the time. TikTok match the time. Okay. First we read the time and then choose the correct one, children. Okay. Read the clock, then circle the correct time. Okay. All of you learn how to read the time. Okay. Now, choose the correct one. Okay. Here, minute hand in 12 means o'clock and our hand is where? Yes, 4. It means 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock? Yes, 4 o'clock, not 3 o'clock. Okay. Also second watch. Yes, minute hand is 12 means o'clock and hour hand is 8. Our hand in 8. So what we read? 12 o'clock? No. 8 o'clock. Yes. Then minute hand in 12 means what? O'clock and hour hand in 6. Okay. So what we read? 6 o'clock or 9 o'clock? First one is right or second one? Yes. 6 o'clock was right, not 9 o'clock. Okay. Now match the clock. Draw the line to connect the matching times. Okay. Which one is correct? You match it. Okay. First look at the clock. Okay. Minute hand in 12 and hour hand in 3. What we read is 3 o'clock. Okay. Where at 3 children? Yes, this one is 3. Okay. Then match it. Okay. And here minute hand in yes 12 and our hand shorter hand goes to 11. So what we read children? 11 o'clock. Yes, 11. So match it 11. Okay. Now this one is longer hand in 12 and shorter hand where? 5 means 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. Okay. Here longer hand in 12 and shorter hand in 9. So what we read children? 9 o'clock. Okay. 9 o'clock. Okay. Now next look one, choose the correct one. Okay. Here 4 timing and look at the beautiful clocks. Flower clock, apple clocks, snake clocks. Okay. So many clocks and choose the correct time in the clock. Here minute and hour both in 12 means what? 12 o'clock. This one is right or 3 are wrong. Okay. Okay. Look at the apple clock. Yes, this is apple clock. Okay. And what time? Longer hand in 12 and shorter hand in 6. What we say? 6 o'clock. Okay. So where write 6? 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, this one is 6. And 3 are wrong. Okay. Then next. Here. Longer hand in 12. Okay. And shorter hand in 10. ओके. घड़ी का जो लंबा वाला हाथ है मिनट हैंड है वो 12 में है और छोटा हाथ किस में है 10 में. तो व्हाट वी से 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock और 10 o'clock. यस 10 o'clock, नॉट 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Now this is sunflower clock, yellow color. Yes. And minute hand in 12 and shorter hand in 8. Okay, this is 8. What time is it? Tell me. 5 o'clock? No. 6 o'clock? No. 7 o'clock? No. 8 o'clock. Okay, 8 o'clock is right answer. Okay, and here minute hand in 12 and hour hand in 5. What we read? 3 o'clock? No. 4 o'clock? No. 5 o'clock right and 6 o'clock wrong. Okay. Okay. Now next. Here minute hand in 12 and hour hand is where? Yes, 2. What we read? 3 o'clock? No. 4 o'clock? No. 5 o'clock? No. 2 o'clock. Yes, this we read 2 o'clock. Okay. Now, what time is it? What time is it? Look at the clock and write the time. Okay. What time is it? Okay. Write it. Okay. Here minute hand in 12 means o'clock, and hour hand or short hand in where? 4. Yes. So what we write? 4 o'clock. We read 4 o'clock. Okay. Then minute hand in 12 and hour hand in 3. So what we write? What we read? 3 o'clock and write 3 o'clock. Okay. Here minute hand in 12, hour hand in 11. So what we write? And read 11 o'clock and write 11. Okay. Here लॉन्गर हैंड इन 12, घड़ी का लंबा वाला हाथ कहाँ है? 12 में है, और छोटा वाला हाथ कहाँ है? 7 में है. तो हम क्या पढ़ेंगे बच्चों? 7 o'clock. So we read 7 o'clock. Okay. Here longer hand in 12 and shorter hand in 9. So what we read? 9 o'clock. Okay. Then longer hand in 12 and shorter hand in 10. So what we read, children? Yes, 10 o'clock. What we read? 10 o'clock. Okay, all of understand? Okay, reading the time, children. Yes, this is so easy. Okay. Now, telling time, minute hand is 12 and hour hand is 1. What we say, children? It is 1 o'clock. Okay. Then what time is it? When the minute hand in 12. Okay. And the hour hand in what number? Yes, this is 4. Okay. What we read? It is 4 o'clock. कितना बजे है बच्चे? 4 बजे. It is 4 o'clock. Okay. When the longer hand in 12 means o'clock and hour hand घंटा वाला हाथ किसमें है? Yes, 3. It is 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. कितना बजे है बच्चे? 3 बजे हैं. Okay. Yes. Now use the hand in the box below to make the time. Okay. Here time is written 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Okay. First we make minute hand. Okay. With blue color. Yes. Blue color से हम minute hand बनाएंगे. Okay. Minute hand is longer hand. Okay. घड़ी में पहले हम minute hand बनाएंगे. Which color? Blue color. Okay. First we draw minute hand. Means o'clock. Which color? With the help of blue color. Blue color से हम पहले minute hand बनाएंगे. Minute hand is a longer hand. All of you see? Yes. Then draw hour hand with the help of red color. Okay. 3 o'clock. Okay. Hour hand is shorter or longer? Yes, shorter. 3 o'clock. Okay. All of you see? Yes. Here 6 o'clock. Okay. Yes, this one is 6 o'clock. Okay. Then 5 o'clock. कहाँ जाएगा our hand? Yes, 5 में. This one is 5 o'clock. Okay. And 2 o'clock. 2, where the right is 2? Yes, here. We draw 2 o'clock. Our hand is shorter hand. All of you. My clock looks beautiful, children. Yes, looks beautiful. Blue color. Which hand? Yes, minute hand. And red color is hour hand. Okay, so we read. What time is it? Yes, this one is 3 o'clock. Yes, 3 o'clock. And this one is 6 o'clock. Yes. And this one is 5 o'clock. And last one is 2 o'clock. Okay, children. Now, next. Yes. Time to the hour, select the correct one. Okay, look at the clock. Can you tell me what time is it? Yes, hour hand in 4 and minute hand in 12 means 4 o'clock. Yes, here 7 o'clock, not 8 o'clock. And here 12 o'clock. No, hour hand in 6, so we read 6 o'clock. Here 1 o'clock, not 12. Can you tell me the time? 8 o'clock or 6 o'clock? Yes, 8 o'clock. Okay. Here 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock? Read shorthand is where? 11. So we read 11 o'clock. Okay. Here 3 o'clock, not 4 o'clock. Here our hand in 10 means 10 o'clock, not 11 o'clock. Here our hand in 5, so we read 5 o'clock, not 4 o'clock. Here 2, read 2 o'clock, not 12 o'clock. Okay? Now, okay, what time is it? Okay, all of you say, it is very easy. Here minute hand in hour hand in 12. So what we read? 12 o'clock. Okay, and here hour hand in 3 and minute hand in 12. So what we write? 3 o'clock. Yes. Here hour hand in 7. So 7 o'clock. Here 5 and minute hand in 12 means 5 o'clock. Here 8 o'clock, children. Here 11 means 11 o'clock. It is so easy. All of you understand how to read a clock. Okay. Last. Yes. Here we draw hour hand. Okay. And minute hand is draw. Okay. We draw our hand with the help of pink color, children. Okay. पिंक कलर से हम आवर हैंड को शो करेंगे. मिनट हैंड इज ड्रॉ. ओके. हेयर 2 o'clock means our hand is smaller. 2 o'clock. Okay. Here 5 o'clock. Yes. Here 6 o'clock. Here 7. Our hand is short. Okay. For minute hand. Here 1 o'clock. Okay. Here 3 o'clock. Yes. Here 9 o'clock. Okay. And here 4 o'clock. Okay. Here 11 o'clock. All of you draw it. It is so easy because minute hand is draw. Okay. Only we draw our hand. Okay. Can you tell me what is this? This is a clock. Girl, hold a clock. What time it is? Yes. What's time, children? Yes. 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.